Hello, good morning and namaste all of you. And today we are going to cover important personalities of modern India and we have already covered Annie Besant and now we will cover Bhagat Singh and he is in from 907 to 1931 till. So Bhagat Singh comes between 907 to 931. And now let's start about life canvas of Bhagat Singh. So he was a revolutionary. Firstly, he was in revolutionary nature and was executed on March 23, 1931. He was executed on March 23, 1931 and participated in non-cooperation movement. And in 1928 he participated in meeting in the ruins of Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi under the leadership of Chandrasekhar Azad and name of HRA and changed to HSRA, adopted as a socialist as its official goal and adopted socialist as a official goal. So after that in 1925 involved with HRA and in 1926 started Naujawan Bharat Sabha in Punjab as an open wing of revolutionary and played a major role in Lahore conspiracy. And he along with Sukhdev also organized Lahore Student Union for open legal work among students. So he played important role in Lahore conspiracy and he along with his comrades mad back through in terms of revolutionary ideology, forms of revolutionary struggle and goals of revolution. And he moved away last part of his life like from a belief in violent and individual heroic action to the Marxism and the belief that a popular broad-based movement alone could lead to a successful revolution. So 1928 killed Saunders to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Killed Saunders, Saunders, Saunders. So killed Saunders in 1928 to take avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. In 1929, bombed Central Legislative Assembly. In 1929, bombed Central Legislative Assembly and in protest against the passage of public safety bill. In protest against the passage of public safety bill and trade dispute bill. Public safety bill against public safety bill and trade dispute bill. And in 1931 he was hanged on March 23, 1931. And famous saying, real revolutionary armies are in village and factory, he said while getting hang punishment. Real revolutionary armies are in village and factories. And he fully accepted Marxism. That's why he talking about factory workers exploitation here, perhaps. and he fully accepted Marxism and class approach to society. Marxism and class approach society, and he was fully secular to 6 rules drafted by him for Punjab Naujawan Sabha, where that its members would have nothing to do with communal bodies and religion to be considered as a matter of personal belief. Means he was in secular mind and he said religion will be not public affair, it will be public belief in one's life. And he saw the importance of freeing people from mental bondage of religion and superstitions. So he freeing people from mental bondage of religion and superstitions. And what was the major influence? Upsurge of working class trade unionism after World War One. So upsurge of working class trade unionism after World War One and Russian Revolution in 1917 and new sprouting communist group with emphasis on Marxism and socialism. And next is like generals extolling self-sacrifice of revolutionaries such as Atma Shakti, Sarthi and Vijoli. So no, and now another is like novels and books such as Bandi Jeevan by Sachin Sanyal, Bandi Jeevan by Sachin Sanyal and Patthar Devi. And NHRA and HSRA means agenda was like in 1925 HRA manifesto declared that HRA stood for abolition of all systems which made exploitation of man by man possible. Means under this HRA manifesto declared that HRA stood for abolition of all system which made exploitation of man by man. HRA's main organ revolutionary had proposed nationalization of railways and heavy industry. Main purpose of this HRA's organs of revolutionary wing was to propose nationalization of railways and heavy industry. They were talking about nationalization that time. And HRA also decided to start labor and peasant organization and work for an organized and armed revolution. So HRA also decided to start labor and peasant organizations and work for organized and armed revolution. So we understood here about Bhagat Singh. Lifetime duration was his 907 to 1913. And now let's finish here. Thank you very much.